Hi everyone. Today we'll be solving the questions from the IntelliTest Pro CAD bundle. Today we are solving the QA. So let's begin with this first question. So this question is from the functions. So it says that f of x plus y is fx and fy, and f of 5 is 4. Then f10 minus f of minus 10 will be what? So look at this. Uh, Let me pull out the pen. Okay. So now if you see this expression, that if I'm doing sum of two variables, I'm getting the product as well. So this happens in the case of the exponential. So if you see, if I say f of x, I can assume this as like a to the power, a is some number, we have not figured it out, a to the power x, because if I do a to the power x multiplied by a to the power y, I can just write it as a to the power x plus y right here. And then, so if I assume that my fx is like this, then this property which says here, this holds, right? So so f of 5 is given as 4, and f of x, we know a to the power x, a to the power 5 is just 4. Okay, so from here a is just 4, and then we have 1 by 5 here. Okay, so now we can just compute f of 10. F of 10 is a to the power 10, 4, and then we have 1 by 5. This is a, this is my a to the power 10. I can just multiply this. So 4 square, this will be 16, and f of minus 10 will be same, just we will have 4 minus 2, so 1 by 16. Okay, so what we can do is, so we have to do 16 minus 1 by 16. Let's pull up the calculator here. Let's do pen. We will do 1 divided by 16. Okay, this, and then minus 16. So 15.9375. Yeah, we have the option. So this one is the option. Okay, so whenever you see this particular expression where the uh, we are multiplying, let me pull the pen. Wherever we are multiplying two variables and then it is equal to the sum of those variables, we can just assume this function to be like this exponential, a to the power x or b to the power x, whatever. And then we have the condition given here from where we figured out the value of a, and then we found out this expression. So the core concept here is, if I get f of x plus y to be equal to f of x and f of y, I can just directly assume f of x to be a to the power x and just this and nothing b plus b. We cannot do plus b because then this expression will not hold, so it will be just, so a to the power x.